Hi guys, you're welcome once again to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is going to be a critically different video because I want to show you how to prepare a very fast food as a bachelor or as a spinter. Is this spinter, what do they call it? Anyone at home. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying home food because I don't want to eat outside. So I'm going to prepare rice and stew. Stew is in the Nigerian way, okay, just like sambal you call it here in Malaysia. And then I'm going to be using fish and some other wonderful delicacies. So watch out. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button because I'll be bringing you very wonderful videos as time goes by. Alright, let's start the cooking. So in order not to waste time, I want to start with the rice first. I'm going to boil the rice while I blend the pepper and other things, okay? So yes, this is the rice. Okay, it's Malaysian rice. I don't know how good it will be, but yeah, let's just use it like that. Okay, so I've washed the rice now. I'm gonna wash it as many times as possible, like 2 or 3, 4 times, so that the starch will come out. Okay, yeah. So yes, I want to boil the rice now, and I'll make sure I put this light at a very low, so that it doesn't get burnt. So I reduce the fire to very, very low. Okay, I don't know if you can see the fire. For the stew, I have some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. I don't know if you can see them. So they are big, but I just got little, just small, and I've put some onions already. Okay, so I'm going to wash all of them. Then I'm going to put some of this pepper. This one is very pepperish. Okay, I forgot the name, but this red pepper, chili, very pepperish one, different from the from this one. Okay, this one is the normal pepper, but this one is real one, very hot. So I'm going to put some because I like my food to be spicy. You're noticing that the pepper is going to be more than the tomatoes, right? Yes, because I want the stew to be red. I want it to be very red. Let's wash it. I'm cutting them like this so that it can be easily grinded, yeah. So I don't need to add too much water. I'm just going to add little water when I'm grinding, but it will still be grinded well. So I'm just cutting the pepper into smaller parts. Yeah, if you're not from Africa and you're watching this video, I need you to challenge yourself. Try to prepare this wonderful delicacy. It's so good, so nice, and you're gonna enjoy it. Yeah, the tomato is so big, so I'm gonna also slice them into smaller. So I'm gonna put some water inside this blender so that it won't struggle too much with the what I want to blend. So I'm gonna put the tomatoes inside now. So you can see the pepper is ready and it's actually very thick and it's so red. Yeah, so this can be used perfectly for the job. Yeah, so far so good. Are you enjoying the video? Okay, if you're enjoying the video, make sure you like, don't forget to like. Oh yeah, and then make sure you click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. So let's continue now. I want to make the stew now. I told you the pepper is ready. I grinded it already. So now I want to and my rice is done. Don't mind the face of the rice. Unfortunately, it's so flabbergastic. I don't know if you can even see it very well, but actually it's not our own type of rice. So yeah, so now I want to quickly steam the fish. Yeah, I want to steam the fish immediately in this fry pan. I'm gonna steaming the fish. And what kind of fish did I buy? I don't even know the name. I don't know the name of the fish myself, but I'm gonna wash the fish now. And okay, I think it's sardine. I think it's sardine kind of fish. So this is the fish. All this fish, how much did I buy this fish? Although it differs depending on where you're buying them from. So I wash the fish now and just steam them. Yeah, I have to clean it up, of course. So now it's time to steam. Remember, this is steaming, so the water should be small, and I've tried to do that. I'll just put the fish in. So yeah, the fish is ready, and the fish doesn't take time. Yeah, so it's ready already. So it's time to make the stew. And basically that's it. That's the stew. This is just naan. Gotta put different spices just to make it, And I'm gonna put this one, the bright coal. We in Nigeria were used to spices and not really sugar, So this one, there will be no sugar in here. And I'm gonna put salt. Don't put too much salt so it doesn't become so salty. Except if you like salt a lot. Okay, you can see steaming. steaming and the taste is coming out very perfectly.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Can we call this one fish stew? Probably. It is fantastic, flabbergastic. Which English would you use? So after some few minutes I checked and I think it's okay now. Yeah, as you can see the fish and everything has mashed together. So yeah, you can off it and allow it to cool down a little bit so that the stew can, you know, mash together with the, yeah, so it's time to eat now. This is lime, or we call it lemon, don't even know which one, or sharp, one of them. Want to see the food? Stew is the major thing, right? Yeah, so that's it, with fish and all those kind of wonderful delicacies. And I have fish soup here, fish soup. Yeah, I just put a little fish soup and then the lemon drink or lime drink. So let me just taste it. Of course, I know it's going to be sweet. I'm the one that cooked lard. Okay, so what you do is basically you put the stew. You can get some fish, portion of the fish, and then just put with the stew. Okay, yeah. And just put, it's a simple food but it's very nice. Then you can put this one, okay, and you're good to go. So let's see how it will be in the mouth. You mix everything together and really good. I love the blend. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be bringing you very exclusive videos now. From now, after this video, there will be a series of maybe 2 or 3 videos that I made in Malacca. Okay, I traveled to Malacca actually 2 days ago, so I'm gonna publish some of those videos for you to watch. I know you're gonna enjoy it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and let me know what you think about the cooking, my cooking skills. Okay, boys can cook also, yeah. And also make sure you share this video to your friends, families, loved ones, everyone. Let's grow this channel to 3,000 subscribers very soon. I know we can do it. I love you so much. Take good care of yourself. God bless you. Till I see you next time. Bye bye.